Today I'm going to make a saltwater ecosphere. I have my ocean and I have my jar. First of all, I need to get some water. The easiest way to do this is by scooping the water up right when the wave hits the jar. In case you were wondering, yes, this was really cold. So now I have enough water and I can start adding sand. And I'm going to do that with this cup. I'm taking sand which has just been hit by a wave, because I think there's just a slightly bigger chance that I catch some animals this way. It turned out to be really hard to get the sand in the jar. It was also hard to focus on what I was doing and holding the camera at the same time. Now the water needs some time to settle down. I already saw a little crustacean about the size of a grain of sand, but it wasn't noticeable on camera. After a day I noticed something in the sand which looked a lot like a trail from some kind of animal. So there's probably something in there. I saw about 5 little crustaceans, but they were really small and super fast, so they were impossible to catch on camera. I'm actually going to leave this jar alone for a few months. It's quite possible that the crustaceans in there will start to grow because their water is getting warmer, and it will be interesting to see if there's some kind of worm making the trails in the sand. If you don't want to miss when I revisit this ecosphere and you want to see more ecospheres, well, you're going to have to subscribe. Thanks for watching.